Bob Schofield and Roy. I don't know about Jeff, but they said when they were younger they used to climb on stuff like that, a tractor or a steamroller. And when they'd build the house, Bob said he used to go inside the framework. I said, well, I didn't get that brave. I might have climbed a dirt mound, but that's as far as I ever went. I'm too chicken to do all the stuff you guys did. I was mentioning that there was kids here having fun on the tractor and steamroller and all that. And they mentioned when they were kids they used to do stuff like that. And they were amazed they didn't get hurt. I said, yeah, God was protecting you all the way. And me too. I probably did a lot of things I done forgot. But we had all that energy. When I was a kid, 5 or 6, I'd look up at the sky and look at all the airplanes. And I was thinking, it's going to pollute the whole planet. And now we gotta make fuel things to avoid pollution in the sky. And in 1980s Battlestar Galactica, they showed the pollution, but they did it real nice like, because the people from outer space, Starbuck and all them, or the descendants of them, Boxy, which is, I don't know his full name now, I can't remember now. Dylan and Troy, I forgot which one. But anyway, they looked at the traffic and said, oh, well, they're perfect good drivers, and they know how it takes practice and control, Boxy said, and they got a shield over top. But what they don't know, it's not a shield, it's the pollution from the gas tanks of the vehicles. It's neat how they did that, just how someone from another world would see it when they come on planet Earth, how they would see it. It's pretty neat. And Mr. Brady, he's been on even on Wonder Woman, Linda Carter Wonder Woman. He's very good at being a scientist. And on the Brady Bunch, he's a good architect. And when he was with the Brady cast, Mrs. Brady and the children, he treated them like a real father. He even had a daughter in real life. That's pretty neat. I didn't know that. Okay. That airplane was just right there for a split second. Where'd it go? It vanished that quick. Oh, there it is. It's almost like it turned off the exhaust and cut it back on. Oh man, it did it. It's like it's jumping level to level. I'm not used to the one that jump from level to level. See what I mean? It tries to fade out. And I'm not doing anything. I'm keeping the camera still. And it wants to fade out. It did it again. Must be testing a new prototype plane. I could get pretty close if I wanted to, but I don't want to get too far. I'll just make it like a shadow, like. I mean, if there ain't nobody there, well, except for if the workers are working there, then that's a different story. I need to get them all in there.